My name is Michael Holm. I'm the 1 Minute Barber. I've been cutting hair for 17 years and I'm going to show you 2 really easy techniques for cutting the length on the top of your hair without making it really short with the clippers. Let's get started right away. I've got with me my Wahl Senior. It's a really good clipper. You don't necessarily need to use that. You could use whatever you want. A domestic clipper is just perfect for it as well. So I'm going to put a gown on and I'm going to get cutting. I've got my gown on to keep the hair off. I'm ready to go. First of all, we need to establish just how much hair we're going to remove. I want you to comb your hair over like this initially, and this is going to allow you to pick your hair up with the comb. So put the comb in like that, get your fingers in a pincer motion and grab the hair like this. Now, you'll be able to see the length of the hair there, and there'll be some hair sticking out the top, okay? You can see. Okay, you probably see your barber doing that when you go to the barber shop, and all they're doing is they're picking it up to a certain length and then they're going to cut it. Now it's very important what you do after the first cut. Let me explain. So I've picked up and then I have my clipper, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight across the top like this. That's cut it down to a certain length. Now that's no different to using scissors, only we're using the clipper. Now the clipper must be cutting dry hair for this. Okay, wet hair clumps together and it doesn't go through the teeth of the clipper very easily. Once we've cut that first part, let's go a little bit further forward and pick up some more. Now you should be able to see the cut hair. If you're doing this in the mirror, you should be able to see the hair that you've just cut, or try to use the same length that you extended the hair the first time you picked it up. Okay, so here we go. Second time, cut across. Okay, so comb over again and then pick up some more hair like so, slightly further forward than you did the last time. Okay, and then we're going to use the clipper again, just like we would with a scissor, straight over like this. Okay, and you can see the hairs come off. Then work your way forward, pick up some more hair. Okay, you're starting to get the picture here, and we're just working towards the front. Okay, pick up some more. Okay, and when we get to the front, just pull the whole lot up and just cut straight across. There we go. Okay, now my hair so far is still quite long. Okay, I've got movement on it. I'm going to comb this across again, and now I want to take this section here followed by this section. So I'm going to pick up back where I was, okay, and going to trim. Okay, and then while holding that, pick up some more, work your way forward. Trim. Work your way forward again, pick up some more. Trim. You're getting the picture, okay? So I'm just working my way all the way to the front. And when I get to the front, pull it back slightly more, okay? Like that. Now, this section, remember, this must be dry hair. If you do it on wet hair, you're going to bend the hair. It won't go through the teeth because it's clumped together. Okay? Now you see I keep reaching down and putting my comb down. If you're working in a professional environment, what you would normally do is you'd have all your tools in your hand and you wouldn't let them down. You just keep them there because it's quicker to work that way. But when you're working on your own, take your time. You don't need to go quickly. Okay? Let's go back to the crown now. Now just judge when you're working on the crown. what you were lifting up with your fingers prior, okay? So I reckon I was lifting my hands up to about there, and I'm just gonna go back and cut that off, work my way back. Same length, remove. And again. And I just keep working my way back basically until that's done, okay? So that's the top. And I've cut it down. I still have some movement on the top, okay? Another way to cut the top is to just work your way forward with a longer clipper guard. Let me show you how to do that. I have a number 3 clipper guard on and I've closed the blade. So now what I'm going to do is comb my hair forwards. This technique will thin your hair down, so as you can see I'm quite thin as it is, so I prefer to cut my hair with the lifting method, to be quite honest, but this is so that you can see. So what we do is switch this on, go at the back of the head there and just make sure it's straight and just bring it forwards, okay? Like this. So we're going with the grain of the hair, just working down the grain like that. Okay? I'm gonna go here. Down this side. Still plenty to style, but I've taken quite a lot of hair off also. I'm going to sweep that over, that's the way I wear it. However, we still need to blend the hair in, so let's get a number 2, okay? Pop that on, and the way to do this is to come down vertically on this area here, which is called the parietal ridge. A picture speaks 1,000 words, let me show you. Not much coming off there, but this is the way to do it. Other side, okay. And that's pretty straightforward, that's how you do it. So I've just finished off and I blow dried my hair with a little bit of this Hair Bond mattifier. Good product, smells amazing. Just blow dried it in, I'm quite happy. I've got some length, I've cut it with the clippers. Really easy to do. If you want to learn how to cut the sides or any other cutting techniques, have a look at my channel, there's more videos on there. Hit subscribe if you want to see any fresh content. And once again, thank you for watching my videos.